Do you know that in Spain there is a drink called hojata? Hojata is made from tiger nuts, sugar, and water. So that means kunu aya, what we know as kunu aya in Nigeria, the tiger nut milk, is used all over the world in various countries. But I think the Mexican, in my research, the Mexican also have their own recipe. Yes, today I'm going to be doing my Nigeria version. For today's recipe, I'll be using 2 cups of dried tiger nuts, 1 big fresh coconut. I'll be using about 10 dates. Yeah, I use 10 dates, 1 liter of water, cheesecloth. Yes, first of all, I go ahead by soaking the tiger nut for 48 hours. Yes, 48 hours because my tiger nuts were very dried. Yes, so every day after 24 hours, I ensure I change the water. I rinse it and change the water to ensure that you don't build up bacteria. Bacteria and germs love to live in moist area. Yes, so now the 48 hours is over. You can see how beautiful the tiger nuts look. They look so fresh. Yes, so now I am ready to blend them. I grate my coconut to ease the blending process. Yes, prior to this time, I have soaked my dates overnight to ensure that it's also soft as well. I toss everything into the blender, blend together. Yes, they are blended now. It's time to sieve. I take my cheesecloth. In case you don't have a cheesecloth, you can use a sieve and pass it through a sieve to extract that delicious milk. Yes, wow, see how beautiful the milk. This milk is very nutritious. First of all, for people that have lactose intolerant, or you are looking for lactose-free plant-based milk, maybe you are a vegan, or yes, this is a very good milk for you. It's also a way of adding plant protein to your diet. And we all know tiger nut is very, it has a lot of health benefits. Same with coconut, same with dates. But today I'll be focusing more on the tiger nut because it's the star of today's drink. Yeah, tiger nut has anti-inflammatory property. It aids digestion. So research even said it has anti-hypertensive property. That means it can, or it enhance the reduction of blood pressure. Its digestion, it tastes good, and you can give it to your toddler. In my house, I give it to everyone. Yeah, it has antioxidant property because tiger nut is rich in polyphenols. Yes, it's a drink you should definitely try. Yeah, please, if you haven't subscribed at this point in time, please endeavor to subscribe, like, and share, and press the notification button for more content. Thank you for joining us on today's episode. Bye bye. Danke. Tschüss.